If I told you that in just 30 days, you could learn a skill that earns $5,000 to $10,000 a month and that AI could help you learn it faster than ever, would you believe me? Today, I'm breaking down 7 high income skills you can learn in just 1 month using AI powered tools, even if you're starting from zero. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which skill to start with, how to learn it, and how to make your first dollar fast. Let's dive in. Skill number 1, copywriting with ChatGPT and Jasper AI. Copywriting is the art of writing words that sell, and it's one of the fastest income skills to learn. But here's the shortcut. With AI, you don't need years of experience. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to study proven ads, sales pages, and email sequences. Then practice by rewriting them in your own tone and style. Offer gigs on Fiverr or Upwork, or help small businesses improve their websites and ads. Within 30 days, you can be creating $200 to $500 sales pages powered by AI support. Skill number 2, video editing with Pika Labs and Runway Video. Dominates every platform, and editors are in constant demand. AI tools like Pika Labs, Runway, or Opus Clip now do most of the heavy lifting for you, cutting clips, adding captions, and generating B-roll automatically. Learn the basics of pacing and storytelling, then start editing short-form content for YouTubers. Coaches or small businesses, even beginner AI editors can earn $1,000 to $3,000 a month producing short videos for clients. Skill number 3, prompt engineering. This is one of the most underrated skills of the decade. Prompt engineering means learning how to talk to AI effectively, crafting instructions that get better results. Master ChatGPT prompts, Mid-Journey image prompts, and automation commands for tools like Claude or Perplexity. People are paying up to $100 an hour for specialists who can save companies time and money with the right prompts. Practice by recreating viral social media posts or designing creative AI art. It's a fun, futuristic skill with serious earning potential. We've covered 3 powerful skills you can start today, but the next 4 can create real, long-term income streams. Let's get into those next. Skill number 4, website design with Durable and Framer AI. Building websites used to take weeks. Now AI can do it in hours. Use Durable.co to instantly generate business sites with copy, images, and branding. Then refine them using Framer AI or Relume. Position yourself as an AI website builder. Clients will pay $500 to $2,000 for what takes you just a few hours to complete. Skill number 5, social media automation with Notion AI and Zapier. Businesses want consistent social media posting, but hate doing it. Use Notion AI to plan content calendars and generate captions. Then automate everything with Zapier or Make.com. Offer AI social media automation services for $300 to $1,000 per client monthly. Recurring income, minimal manual work. Skill number 6, AI graphic design with Leonardo and Canva Magic Studio. Graphic design no longer requires years of training. With Canva's Magic Studio and Leonardo.ai, you can create thumbnails, logos, and ad creatives in minutes. Use AI text-to-design tools to deliver fast, professional results. Offer logo bundles, YouTube thumbnail packs, or ad sets, earning $25 to $100 per design, even as a beginner. Skill number 7, AI course creation with ChatGPT and Synthesia. Online courses are booming, and AI makes it easy to build your own. Use ChatGPT to outline lessons, write scripts, and build quizzes. Then use Synthesia or HeyGen to create AI instructors that teach your content. Upload to Udemy, Skillshare, or sell directly with Gumroad. One good course can become a long-term passive income stream. Bonus: AI automation and chatbot building. Learn to automate workflows using Zapier, Airtable, and ChatGPT API. Businesses are hiring automation specialists to connect tools and build chatbots. Even a few clients can bring in $5 to $10,000 a month. So, which of these skills will you start learning today? Remember, you don't need a degree or years of experience, just 30 days of focus. If you want me to create a step by step 30-day roadmap for any of these, comment 30 days below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI income tutorials every week. I'm Evan Cole, and this is Smart Money Pros, helping you make money smarter with AI.